Hi everyone, welcome to the daily newspaper analysis by JTS Institute. A small announcement, JTS Institute has announced its 2024 GS online program with some really exciting offers. The link is given in the description below. Today is the 25th of April. Let's dive right in. The first article is, after death of two cheetahs, Madhya Pradesh seeks new site for the felines. So, the Madhya Pradesh Forest Department has asked the central government for an alternative site for the cheetahs, currently introduced at the Kuno National Park, which has seen the death of two felines in less than a month. I have already discussed about the importance of this translocation of cheetahs into India. And for UPSC, you must be clearly aware of what are the challenges that are going to be faced by this particular project. Especially when even under Project Cheetah, the government had understood that the mortality among cheetahs was expected, and even if 50% of the animal population survived, the project would be considered a success. The next article is Amendment to Factories Act put on hold in Tamil Nadu. The Tamil Nadu Chief Minister M.K. Stalin on Monday announced his government's decision to put on hold further action on the Factories Act Tamil Nadu Amendment 2023, which sought to provide flexibility in increasing working hours beyond 8-hour shifts in factories. This is important because it directly involves the labor policies, how the working conditions of employees are going to be, how exploitation of labor can happen in India. The next article is India-China hold frank and in-depth talks. The 18th round of talks between senior military commanders were held in the Chinese side of the Chuzhou-Moldo border. The talks were held on the two remaining friction areas on the line of actual control (LAC) and days ahead of the first visit by the Chinese Defense Minister to New Delhi since the start of the border crisis. And this article is giving a brief on that particular meeting. This is a continuation article on India-China relations, and as I have always mentioned that anytime you read articles that are related to India-China or India-Russia and so on, it becomes a must read because even if it is not directly going to be asked, it will help you in your mains exam when you are writing a mains answer. And the last article for today is the Wagner's Group's action in Africa. This article is a must read for today because this is going to talk about private paramilitary organizations. See, the Wagner Group is a Russian paramilitary organization. Though it has been reportedly engaged in counter-militancy operations in Africa, its involvement is believed to have a more extensive scope covering political and economic and military fields. For example, the Wagner Group has been active in Sudan, Mali, the Central African Republic, Mozambique and Libya in Africa. It presents itself as a security provider to few governments but mostly to authoritarian ones in Africa. For UPSC, you can use the information about paramilitary organizations as an example under security challenges. And that is it for today. If you have found this video useful, please do like and give a comment to us. Also, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you.